Everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know the Fidelity Investments tutorial. So in this video I'll be showing you steps on how can you create Fidelity investment account. So here you want to open up a browser. You could also install an app. Either way the procedure will remain the same. On the search box you want to type in Fidelity Investment. Then click on the first link that appears, that is fidelity.com. This is going to take you to an official page. Here comes the official page. Now then you could either go with open an account or I need guidance. Now I'll simply go and open an account. So when you do it, so you want to select either for the retirement and IRS or IRA, or planning and advice or brokerage account or health and savings account. You want to click on the open button after you've selected the type of account that you want to create with. This is then going to take you to the next field, which you need to go ahead and start providing your personal details and all sort of things. So now here you need to go and tap on the no button or the next button and start filling out the form or informations. So basically you have to provide your account info, that means personal details, your contact details, and verify your identity. As you've done it, so you'll be able to create or successfully created your account, and from there further on you could go and explore the account features and tools available. And that is basically the tutorial for beginners for Fidelity Investment. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.